Good morning, dear students. As you have requested to explain again the chapter exercise 2.3, that is to express the numbers in standard form. So here I am with 3 examples or in different way. So I'm going to explain again. Let us see. Say for example, a very big number it is given to you without any decimal. Then they have asked you, it is being asked to you to convert it into standard form. Now, let us see first the number, what it is given and where the decimal is being placed here. So, since the number is like that, that means it is implied that decimal is here. Now, as I have told you in the previous video, that if the decimal you have to move in the left side, then you have to give the exponent positive. So let us see how to do. 8. Now, since in standard form, what we have to do, the decimal point you have to give after one digit. So after one digit. So here the point should be, that is from here you want to bring the point here. So for that, what you have to do, in the left side you are moving. So 8.6430124 into 10 to the power. Now the question is, what will be the power now? Since the point is moving towards left, so what you have to do, you have to multiply it with 10 to the power. How many digits you are going forward? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 to the power 8. So this is the answer. Now let us check whether our answer is correct or not. Let us verify it. Okay. So I am showing you the verification. This part is not necessary in the exam. Just I have to make you explain that how it will be 10 to the power 8. Now again, if we convert this one in 10 to that means in usual form, how it will be? Since the point is here, so in the lower classes what we have done, say for example 2.5 into 10. So what we do at that time? 2.5 into 10, 050, 020, 155, 122. So 052. Where will be the decimal now? Decimal will be before one digit. Now can you see, if there is into 10 to the power 1, nothing is there, that is 10 to the power 1, then since it is 10, so 2.5 into 10 is 250. So 250, then decimal is, this point will move where? In the right side. That means 2.5 into 10 to the power 1 means what? The point is moving to the right side. Positive, that means point will move to the right side. So if the here, just you take 10 to the power 8, that means the point, again if you convert it into usual form, the into 10 to the power 8 is equal to how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The point will be, that means is equal to, if you solve this one, it will be 8, 6, 4, 3, 0, 1, 2, 4, 0. The point was here. So into 10 to the power 8 means what? Into 10 zeros. 8 zeros. So 1, 2. So 8 zeros means what? The point will move towards 8 digits. That means right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the answer. So that means if you convert this one in standard form, it will be the answer. If you convert this one in the usual form, this will be the answer. That means at that time, if you want to remove this point, then what you have to do? 10 to the power 8 means what? This point will come in the right side. So this is how you have to convert. So this is the shortcut way to remember. If the point in the standard form, if the point where it is you have to move in the left side, you have to give a positive exponent. If you want to move in the right side, you have to give the negative exponent. So this is the first example. Now my next example is 3568.354. Now here, is it in standard form? No, because the standard form, the number will be in standard form only when the decimal point is after one digit. So we have to convert it like that. So that means we have to move this point here after 3. Now, how it is possible? So as I have told you, that you have to remember that when you have to move to convert it into standard form, the point left side, the exponent will be positive. Now it depends that what will be the value of the positive exponent. Either it will be 3, 2, 8, 5, 6, what it will be, it depends on the number of digits you move forward. So how many digits you have to move forward? 1, 2, 3. So here I am 3 point. So from here I move the point here. So as a result, since I have moved the point here, so without changing the value or the question, I have to move. So since I have made the change here, so here also I have to make the change. That means I have to multiply it with 10 to the power 3. So if the point we are moving towards left, we have to multiply with 10 to the power positive exponent. That means how many digits you have moved forward? That is 3. So let us verify it. Now let us take a small example here. Verification. .569. Okay, let us take this into 10 to the power 2. If I take this value, what will be the value after doing the multiplication? Let us see it. 2.569 into 100. 10 to the power 2 means into 100. So here, what will be the value? Shortcut way I am just explaining. If you multiply with 100, it will be 256,900. The answer will be is equal to this, and the point, it will be before 3 digits, is not it? So before 3, 1, 2, 3. Before 3 digits. So this is the number. Now, so point is here. So you have to bring now, if it is in, actually the value will be this one. So if you are converting it in standard form 2.56900, at the time what we have to do, you have to move the point here. That means it will be 2.569 into 10 to the power 2. So are you getting my points? So this is how you have to convert it in standard form. So this is the verification only. No need to write in the exam, only this part. Now come to the next question. Now my next question is totally different than above two, because now the question arises that the point is in the left side only. You have to move the point in the right side, because here the zeros are there, so zeros have no values. So you have to take the point after 3. 3 is the digit. Before 3 there are only zeros, so you have to take the value point after 3. So since you have to move the point towards right, then what you have to do, you have to multiply with 10 to the power minus exponent. Simply you are taking the point right side. So 3, because before 3 0, it is not having any value. So 3.84 into, now point you are moving after 3. So how many digits you are going backward? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to give 10 to the power minus 5. Since you are going towards right, so it will be minus 5. That only you have to remember. In the question, if the point is there and you have to move towards left to make it in standard form, then you have to give the exponent positive, and if you want to make in the that means you have to move the point in the right side, you have to give the exponent negative, and the value depends on the digits, how many digits you are going forward or backward. Is it clear to you, all of you? Now another example let me take. Now how to convert the standard form into usual form. That means if the number is given in standard form, how you have to convert in usual form. Got it? So here let us see. Have a look. 7.03 into 10 to the power 9 is equal to, what you have to do? You have to multiply this number into 10 to the power 9 means what? 9 zeros. So let us write that. 7 into 03 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now is equal to. Now let us have in rough what is going on. If 2.5 into 3 zeros are there, what we do? Simply 2, 5, 0, 0, 0. When we multiply with any zeros, the number of zeros it will add in the end, and where the decimal will be put? So before one digit. So this is the number now. If it is a standard form, that means 2.5 into 10 to the power 3. So if it is the form, that means it will be like that, and the point will be, that means 3 zeros means the point will move in the right side 3 digit. So 3 digit, it includes 5 also. So after 5, 1 and more 2 zeros, that means 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. So this is the way how we have to convert. Now let us come to the big number. Like that only. So here 9 zeros are there. Here 9 zeros are there. Now this point we have to move. That means since here it is 2 digits, means before 2 digits. So when we multiply this whole number, that means after 03, 7.03, no? So that means 703 it will be as it is, and more 9 zeros will be add up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But where the decimal will be placed? Before 2 digits. Before 2 digits. So 1, 2. So is equal to, what will be? So after point, zeros have no values. Before point, zeros have a values. So here 7, 0, 3, 0, 0. How many zeros are there before point? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here with this 9. That means 3, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means this point will move 9 digits backward. 9 digits backward. Is not it? So here the 7 digits you have to take. That means 9. This will be reduced now. So the value is this one. I think I have made you understand. Let us take another example. Example is negative exponent. So since it is negative exponent, that means the point will go forward, is not it? So how many digits it will go forward? Including 5, it will be 10. So let us explain elaborately here. 5.836. I can write 10 to the power minus 10 means 10 to the power 10 divided by is equal to that means you have to divide with, that means the point is division 10 to the power 10. That means the point will go forward. So that means left side. So how many digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Including, that means point, you have to move 10 digits forward. So here already 1 digit is there. Point is after 5 point. So 1 digit is already there. And more, how many zeros? So that means total 10 digits you have to move forward. So here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, including 5. Okay. So where the point was before here. So the point will move 10 digits forward. Let us count from back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is how you have to convert it in usual form.